3, 2, 1, go!
Welcome to our first match of qualifications. Already we have Midas Mayhem in the middle of the field grabbing a high number of fuel, bringing them over and shooting them into their hub. Meanwhile, over on the red side of the field, looks like we might have a climb being attempted by CIA Robotics. Human players throwing in fuel to their hubs as time winds down in this first match, autonomous period. We have a score of 23-19 favoring our Red Alliance as time kicks off here in teleoperated mode. Right out the gate, both alliances able to score into their hubs, but if you heard that noise, that means things have shifted now, and one of our alliances is playing offense while the other one shifts to defense. Looks like we have a couple red robots making their way into the middle of the field, seeing if they can collect some fuel for their alliance. A couple of them seeing if they can get CIA dislodged off of some fuel. It looks like it is captivating under its robot right now. Back over on the blue side of the field, we have an offense shift starting for this blue alliance as Midas Mayhem throws up a high volume of fuel into their hub. With a minute 36 remaining, we have a score of 46-23 for our blue alliance now, taking the lead from the red alliance as things keep going here in our teleoperated period. We have another shift change here. Now it's the Red Alliance's time to score. We'll see if they can put up some fuel into their hub and what their alliance's offensive efforts will be for this next 15 seconds. We have 1785 looking to see if they can line up a shot. It looks like we'll see if they can get moving as they line up a shot here in this first match. Meanwhile, Midas Mayhem collecting more fuel from the middle of the field, bringing it over to their alliance's side and putting it up into their hub as we have another shift change back to the blue alliance now on offense. Two red robots over on the other side of the field. Looks like they're strategizing, seeing how they want to best place their efforts in their defensive shift with about 7 seconds left before our next shift change. Over on the blue side of the field, more fuel going into that hub as our score increases from what it was before to 126 to 127, still going up now for that blue alliance as they have the lead in our end game period. More and more fuel coming up into that hub from Midas Mayhem on the blue side of the field. Red Robot 1785 joining the fray, collecting some fuel into their hopper and seeing if they can put up some offensive efforts for their alliance. We have two robots, it looks like, attempting a climb over on the tower as our time expires. See how many climb points they're able to accrue when we give you our final score just after this. Our final score for the first match is in, and it's our Blue Alliance. Our Blue Alliance has a score of 202 points in our first qualification match. They earn 4 ranking points in their victory, 3 for the match win, and 1 for having more than 100 fuel go into their hub during the match. No ranking points accrued for our Red Alliance. Valiant efforts from all 6 teams in our match. Just